Hello everyone, welcome to Agents Lane. I'm Brian, this is Elizabeth, and today if you are one of the lucky people who owns a second home, this video is for you.
Right, so we want to share with you what happened last week when a friend reached out to us to inquire about selling her Big Bear home. And because this was not her primary home, she was not able to use the $250,000 home sale tax exclusion. And that was not necessarily a surprise to us, but what was surprising is that because she had not rented out her home, her second home, it was not considered a rental property. Therefore, she could not do a 1031 exchange, which would have helped her sell this home and buy another investment property without paying any capital gains whatsoever. So we recommended that she reach out to her tax consultant, and we did learn that if she only rents the property 14 days a year, then it will be considered a rental property, and then she can do a 1031 exchange after doing this a couple of years. This would mean that she would pay zero capital gains if she sold that property as a rental and bought another investment property.
So for all of you that own a second home, if you're considering selling in the future, be aware of the tax ramifications and take appropriate actions now so you can offset those capital gains. And if you haven't bought a second home, we recommend an investment property to go with instead. You get income out of it, and if you're looking to have a home that you can actually enjoy and visit, you can do short-term or mid-term rentals instead around your schedule. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.